all the gamanches, and our queen mothers. Yes, Remo.
Our attention has been drawn to recent media publications about the alleged establishment of a kingdom by a self-proclaimed king of Igbos in Old Ningo within the Ningo paramountcy. The traditional council today.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Today I'm here with an exciting video. The Ga chief who the Igbo king claimed crowned him a king, denied never crowning him or anybody king in Ghana. He also went further, letting Ghanaians know that no land was acquired by anyone along Aflawo Road. Guys, this video is very interesting. In order to enjoy it wella, as the Nigerians say, I would advise you to grab your popcorn and calipo, relax like the king and queen that you are. Let's watch this video together, and please, at the end of it, kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
You a warm greetings from the Ningo Traditional Council. Our attention has been drawn to recent media publications about the alleged establishment of a kingdom by a self-proclaimed king of Igbos in Old Ningo within the Ningo paramountcy. The Traditional Council today, Tuesday, 8 July 2025, held an emergency meeting to deliberate on the matter. After consultations among ourselves and with our Member of Parliament, who doubles as Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovations, we have reached the following positions on the matter. 1. The ancient Great Ningo Kingdom has always been welcoming to visitors, including the British, Dutch, and Germans. 2. The Ningo paramountcy is led by our chief, or my able self, Nene Osrangbo Jangba II, and does not intend to have either ruler, domicile on our land. 3. 5 clans who own land along the Temaflau Road in the general Old Ningo area have not sold any land to the said Igbo king to develop a kingdom. 4. That the Minister for Interior, who doubles as Minister responsible for national security, takes immediate steps to use all lawful means at his disposal to invite and interrogate the said individual to ascertain the exact fact about his purported land acquisition. 5. That the minister collaborates closely with the Traditional Council to forestall any further action by the said individual that has the potential to lead to public unrest, as the youth and chiefs of Ningo have vowed to resist any such developments. 6. That our Member of Parliament uses his good office and advocacy to ensure that this matter receives urgent attention at the highest levels of government to protect his ancestral home. 7. That by this letter, we notify the Honorable District Chief Executive of Ningo Prampran District Assembly to ensure his engineering unit does not grant any permit to the construction of the said kingdom or any of its buildings. The Traditional Council reiterates our hospitality to visitors and is quick to point out that we currently host persons from over 20 different nationalities who have resettled on our land in their private capacities. None of them has tried to establish a kingdom of any such community. Our guests have always subjected themselves to the authority of the traditional council, and that remains a critical requirement for the enjoyment of our warm hospitality. Honorable Minister, we are assured of your forthright disposition and defense of our national integrity from our previous rules as Chief Whip in Parliament and also as Member of Parliament for Asawase. We know you will never tolerate such disrespect for your traditional authority and count on you to do same for us. Be assured of the considerations of our highest regards.
Now, you guys have seen it for yourself, yeah. But why would you lie? Why would you lie against somebody that do not know anything about what you are saying? If I say this man do not know that the truth is going to come out this fast, like this quick, huh? Or maybe he didn't see all of this coming. He doesn't know that Ghanaians, when they hold you for mine, they go make sure say they bring you down before you know. They are slow poison. They are very quiet people, but when you enter their nose, they will blow you just like the worst kata ever. So I have that very video that this very man who claiming that it was the Ga chief that gave him the title he's holding. He's claiming here in Ghana, because of course everybody now know that he's a big liar, because the Ga chief denied. Yes, obviously he's not the one. Yeah, Ghanaians are very aware. They are very aware of their culture. You think say they go carry title give you like that? You think say it be like Nigeria, where if you get money, they can give you some kind of rubbish title that you guys will go and be doing your own witchcraft? You think say Ghana are like that? Never. These people are not like that too. Ha! This man is obviously a big liar, guys. But then let's get right into the video and I'll be right back.
By the special grace of God, I'll first of all talk about the Ghana people. I am very close to the entire Ghana kings. Like I said, from 2012 when I was coronated, Ghana Traditional Council played a major role. Then the president was Ningo, who was the acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council then. Him and all the Ghana paramount kings were all here, and after that they inducted me. They inducted the Igbo throne in Ghana to Ghana Traditional Council. I give him very big thanks on that. And we moved on to then the president, Regional House of Chiefs, Sumanche, that died, may so rest in peace. We moved on also to the National House of Chiefs that we also met with Togba Fede, of which we are very close with him. We are very close to so many paramount kings.
Look at him sitting on that chair, full of pride. Pride won't kill him. Look at how he carry shoulder like say waiting happen. I bet me sit down for one corner. Even though now this man give him king and he denied at the tell una, it serves him right, because you cannot come to somebody's country and be requesting to be given a title. That's why when you are in a country, learn their culture, know what you can do and not to do in that very country. There you will live a peaceful life, not just with your tribal people, but with the locals themselves. Even I say this guy is not informal. I'm sorry for calling you a guy. You don't senior me. That one there, I'm not going to fit insult you, reach that part. No, I don't disrespect. That's not how I was trained. Yeah, my parents trained me well. If not because you come out and do what is against the law in Ghana, nothing gonna make me open my mouth talk to you this way. I was being trained well by my parents, okay? So guys, I don't know why I'm becoming emotional right now. Maybe because I called him a guy. He's my senior. I respect people who are my elders, okay? But then, guys, this video I want you to watch and please help me translate what this lady is saying. I don't know if she's speaking Tree or Ga, but let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you.
Papa mo manchefo. all the gamanches, and our queen mothers. Yes, Remo, Samako Jessica, our Nigerians, why from Igbos. Ebe we are saying, or move pam Ghana for one Casamponia Moncran for one, and cry the senso, and cranson. But why a capital be near ho and crying tea, and crying your baby a baby cassette. Now so would do how be break Ghana. Dear young crown for your papa gamma and Chenny Queen Mothers, all the elders in our stool lands in crime. Yes, Remo. Me a cranany. Matasa say, I will do what. As I see a matter, I am a bushing assassin crying, my two months for more than 20 years. Nanka, I see anything.
Guys, thank you for watching. Now the room is open for you, so let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.